Looking to crush it in 2025? Here are 5 booming business ideas with low startup costs and big potential. Don't think you have the skills? Partner with or hire the right expert to make it happen. Let's dive in. First, AI integration consulting. AI is the future, but most businesses have no clue how to use it. Help them automate workflows or set up tools like ChatGPT, and you could tap into a $72 billion market. Next, sustainable products. Eco-friendly is in. Reusable and biodegradable products are exploding, with the market growing at 29% a year. Create something practical and make money while helping the planet. Next, there's subscription boxes. People love the surprise of monthly deliveries. Pick a niche, fitness gear, self-care, or even pet toys, and enjoy steady recurring revenue. For pet lovers, there's pet tech and wellness. From smart collars to organic treats, pet owners spend big. The industry is set to hit $269 billion by 2030, and it's only growing. Finally, digital product design agencies. Bad websites drive people nuts, and businesses pay top dollars for sleek, user-friendly designs. Start with a niche and build a portfolio that commands premium rates. So which one are you starting? Drop your pick in the comments and make 2025 your breakout year.